Class 02-2024, composed of 19 sailors and 25 Marines ready for graduation.
Very well.
Sir, with your indulgence, by the authority vested upon me as the Commander Naval Reserve Center, Eastern Mindanao, I hereby declare the students of Water Search and Rescue Training Class 02-2024 graduates ready this day. Congratulations.
Apil na ta. Apil na ta. Yan. 5-5 ra, 5-5.
PO First Ray Gavin Duanich, with the Navy Reserve. Second, Ronnie S. Alfreda, with the Navy Reserve. Second, Roderick G. Reyes Delos, with the Navy Reserve. Technical Sergeant Angelo Bruno Y. Delmar Jr., with the Navy Marines Reserve. Technical Sergeant Gabriel Marcamo, with the Navy Marines Reserve. Sergeant Sonia B. Young, with the Navy Marines Reserve. Corporal Renato M. Crisostomo, with the Navy Marines Reserve. Corporal Melanie M. Pasco, with the Navy Marines Reserve.
Ah, nabilin? Hindi tumawa ko ah. Hindi lang.
Corporal Leandro M. Ramirez Jr., with the Navy Marines Reserve.
Congrats, buddy. Dili ka agi sa mga kawad to.
Private First Class Jeffrey Casas.
Tawa na ka. Di ko ni mo paan.
Yes, with the Navy Marines Reserve. Same certificate will be awarded to CPO Ruby G. Rojas, the Philippine Navy Reserve. PO Second Rogelio T. Ocon Jr., Philippine Navy Reserve. Second Summer May E. Rabanes, Philippine Navy Reserve. Second, Kenneth Miles Davies, with the Navy Reserve. Technical Sergeant Ace Dumare G. Juan, with the Navy Marines Reserve. Staff Sergeant Romulo
to save lives, to be a beacon of hope in times of crisis, and to serve your community with dedication, enthusiasm, and courage. I say courage. Nung nakita ko kanina yung training ninyo, ay sabi ko nga, pinag-usapan namin kanina ni Mr. Bert, ay napaganda, dapat na-experience niyo yung current doon sa river. Kung paano tumawid, kung paano makipag-deal pag malakas yung current, ay hindi natin supain yun, but kung paano yung skills, kung ano yung method upang malalampasan natin yun. At nakita ko kanina, napakaganda yung pinakita nyo kanina, napakaganda yung accomplishment niyo. Of course, with the guidance doon sa mga instructors, mga subject matter expert natin. And thank you for conducting this kind of training. Of course, I've got to greet Captain Anstida, the Commander, Naval Research Center, Eastern Mindanao, and of course, Captain Bert Rubial, my idol, Commander Naval Reserve Force, Eastern Mindanao. Oh, Naval Forces Reserve, Eastern Mindanao. I would also like to greet our two subject matter experts. Sir, thank you very much for your help. Without you, hindi matatapos yung training natin. Thank you very much. I also like to acknowledge the Chief of Staff of Naval
Thank you.
Dagat ng Pilipinas, buong kapal ipaglalaban, anumang panganib di alintana, di matitinag aming kalitigan. Mga isla na puspos ng hilas, sa katagan na aming sinumpa.